Hi guys, welcome to New Tech Tips TV. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download the Cloud Foundry CLI. So I'm on this website of Pivotal. So I will leave the link of this website in the description box so that you can directly go to this website, and we will be installing for Windows PC. So if you scroll down, you will find an option for Windows installation. You can also go from this side menu directly to the Windows installation, and the first one is download the Windows installer. So you need to click on this. Once you click on this, the download will automatically begin of the zip file. So once it has got downloaded, you can open it up. Now here I have the zip file. I'm going to extract the zip file. So once you get the zip file, you need to right click on this and extract it. I am using 7-zip. If you don't have 7-zip, you can also download it. I will leave the link for downloading 7-zip, or you can check out my other video for downloading and installing 7-zip on your Windows PC. So let me just extract it. Once you extract it, you will get the installer, the exe file, which is the executable file. Just double click on this and you will get a pop-up from user account control, and it will say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You need to select yes, and the download process will begin. You will see this wizard, and next, and then you need to click on the next button. Now it is asking for the destination location. Just click on next and install. So once you do that, the Cloud Foundry CLI will get installed on your system. And now I'm going to open CMD. So I'll open Run using Windows R key and type CMD. And now if I type CF, you can see the command is working. So that's how you installed Cloud Foundry on your Windows machine. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section below. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.